Hello, I'm at Condo 3D at Villas Silvia in Puerto Morelos, Mexico. Let me show you some more. Over there you have the kitchen with the peninsula and the open space concept. Let me turn so you can see the living room area. So with a nice balcony. This is the view. You can see the ocean over there. This is the area. It's quite large. You can fit the table, chairs. So let's go back inside so I can show you the rooms. Okay, this is the first room. As you can see, it's really nice. You have all the natural light over there. The window over here, you can see the street. This will be the view. With the closet for all the storage. Now let me show you the bath. Okay, this will be the bath for the main floor. Okay, I'm on the second floor now. I'm inside the master bedroom. It's really cool up here. You can see the ocean. I will show it to you in a minute. This room is really big. You have all this closet. It is really neat. Here's the bath. Let me show you the bathroom. This is the view from the master bedroom. But it gets even better. Let me go outside the balcony so you can see. Okay, this will be the balcony at the master bedroom. It's really nice, as you can see. And over there you have the ocean. And if we look down, over there you can see the pool area. That is really neat. Okay, we're at the pool area. As you can see, it's really large. Oh, there's the showers and changing rooms.